So before we get into how you can make yours, I want to give you 3 strategies. If you turn to page 7, the 3 strategies in making your own high impact matrix is, number 1, we're going to shift from saboteur to sage perspective. Remember, that was that perspective of replacement judging of yourself and others or your circumstances, waiting until everything is perfect. And you're going to replace them with empathy, curiosity, outside of the box thinking. And we're going to get to action that's laser focused. You could practice that blameless discernment that we talked about. So you focus on the facts to recover from setbacks. Number 2 is we're going to optimize our time and energy. Energy is what you fill in that bubble. So we are proactive and not reactive. So how do we do that? We're going to schedule distraction-free time blocks like we saw in the Eisenhower matrix so that you could work on high impact work. That means our notifications are off on our phone and our computers. That means that we're not calling back our clients first thing in the morning. For me anyway, it meant I was going to see what projects needed my attention on that day, who I was waiting to hear back from. And I did it on my time when I had the most energy in my day. There's a tool, the Pomodoro technique, if anyone wants to try something like that, where you work for a certain amount of minutes and then you reward yourself with a short break. That can help you with your energy. I also know a coach who works for 3 hours in the morning. She lives across the street from a golf course and she goes golfing for 2 hours in the middle of her day. And then she comes back and works for another 3 hours. Now, I know not everyone can do that in their day, but what can you think of that energizes you? Can you meet at a coffee shop instead of in the same area of work every day to do your work? Remember that it takes 20 minutes to get back into the zone if you have interruptions. So companies are aware of this, and they are making days of the week where they don't have, the employees of certain teams of their organizations don't have meetings. They call it no Wednesday meetings to promote productivity. And these are companies like Shopify, Meta, which is Facebook, and Asana. So maybe you could do something like that for your team. Number 3, rebalance your time. What can you do to delegate, eliminate, move around, to shift? I know someone who actually removes 1 to 2 things off her to-do list a week. Not that she gets it done, that she's like not going to do it. Like she unscribes to emails. Yep. Unsubscribe will give you some time back in your day wasting. And then, can you eat the frog first? Can you tackle that hard thing early in the day to build momentum? And then one thing I'll leave you with is, can you approach this with a different mindset of I get to do this instead of I have to do this?